Welcome back. Harbor Freight Deal 8 is what we're on. But again, brief overview of the deals going on this weekend. Free gift for anyone who spends $25 or more. You can get the Hercules impact rated hex shank socket driver set. We have the 72 by 80 inch moving blanket, and then the 4-pack heavy duty ratcheting tie down. For ITC, they're free with any purchase, which you can get. The 69-cent pencil is always the one that comes to mind, or the $1 cutting blades, or the 50-cent paintbrushes. I forget which ones they are, but those deals are going on right now with any purchase today, tomorrow. And then of course the deal of the day 6, which is still going on today as well, and it's official. It's $380. They try to trick us with the $400. $380, $220 off for this Predator 2000 watt super quiet inverter generator. I've seen a lot of positive comments on this generator, that it's lasted for years and it just keeps going. So super solid, super portable. $380, lowest price that it's been. But we won't digress. Tomorrow's deal, which we went over yesterday, also great deals. Deal of the day 7, 35% off all Badland winch accessories. Excellent. And then the lowest price that the Badlands jack has been at, $230 for $90 off. The 3-ton off-road jack. This is Sunday, March 23rd. No coupon required. So this is for anybody and everybody as long as supplies last. It does say pre-sale orders available, which hopefully means if you aren't able to get it, they'll honor the price and they'll place the order for you, but at least you'll get it for $230. That's deal 7. And then we'll move on to day of the deal of the day, number 8. Not as hot as deal 7, but still pretty good. Still pretty good if you ask me. Deal of the day 8, 2 great deals. $119.99 was $200, $80 off this Union Safe Company 10 gun key lock security cabinet. Contents not included. And then Icon alert, $29.99, 50% off for the Icon multi-spline screwdriver or screw extractor set, the 25 piece. So let's look at this one first. The Union Safe 10 gun key lock security cabinet. There is an electronic lock version, which is about $400. This is not that one, but just to note, this is California, at least meets California Department of Justice requirements, which, all right, good to know. Secures 10 firearms up to 53 inches long. It's almost 7 cubic feet of space and pretty decent reviews. So $199. Now, actually, let's verify the price history to see what kind of deal this actually is. So it's $120, $80 off of $200. And let's look at the price history. So it looks like this cabinet came out back in September of 2022 at $120, which is a little unfortunate that it's only gone up in price since. So okay, that's noted. And it hasn't gone back down that low since in the last 2-ish years. The lowest it's gone is down to $130 and not to $120. But at least we can say for this new deal, it is going back down to 2022 prices, which is not too bad. Again, unfortunate that right away it went up in price. Looks like it took a week to go up to $190 and it's been trending down since. But it is back to $120. I don't know why that leaves a little bit of a bad taste in my mouth, but still not too bad. That is the lowest price that it's been outside of the very first week that this tool came out, and then they hiked the price up on it. So still a decent deal, especially if you're in need of some weapon storage. And then this one seems like an obvious deal, 50% off. 50% off the Icon multi-spline screw extractor set 25 piece. It's listed at $70 here on the website, and it's only listed at $60 here in the promo. Now this is a 25 piece set. It does look like there is a 15 piece set for $50. So not sure what's going on there, but the 25 set piece online is currently at $70. So technically it's more than 50% off. And this is a multi-pline screw extractor set. Looks like those will grab absolutely anything. And these are always clutch to have. Trying to extract some screws. Have such a full set like these to be able to dig into, from something beefy like this to something more regular like this, but again, depending on the job that you do. So 50% off, actually it's down to $30, like we just said. So if we're doing the math and we're getting 42% of the price, but of course we're gonna subtract off 1, It's over 57% off. So over 50% off at 57% off. So just interesting that the prices, some of these ads jump around a bit, but overall it's still a huge discount, whether it's 50% or 57%. The sell price should stay at the $30. But let's just go ahead and verify against the price history just so we know exactly where it was at and where it will go. So it looks like back in 2022 November it did come out at $50 price, and then it went up in December to $55. Then May the next year to $60, and then as of February of this year, it's gone up to $70. So it was a recent change, so much so that the marketing team didn't know to update the price. So that's the retail price. Looks like the sales on this has gone down to $45 is the lowest, and then a few sales at $50, and then a sale at $48. So $30 is well below any price that it's been down to. So this Icon multi-spline extractor set for $30, that's a steal of a deal, because you're getting regular extractors probably for like $10-15 and you're only getting a couple. This, although not the fanciest, coolest deal, would be great if they were doing a sale on all Icon, but multi-spline screw extractor set 25 piece, 50% off, if not close to 60% off. If with the newest price indicates it's actually closer to 60% off. So that's your deal of the day 8. That's March 24th, Monday, March 24th. Tomorrow, March 23rd is the Badland. Don't miss out on that one either. And then today, you haven't missed it yet. You still have some time for the 2000 watt super quiet generator, deal of the day 6. And I'll leave it at that. As soon as I get the next deals, deal 9, I'll send them your way.